Any great idea starts with a moment of true inspiration, and for me, that's breakfast. It's important for businesses to look forward, to stay relevant, but I thought, why not look back and combine years-old drone technology with the ancient love of toasted bread. Toast by drone. The new business idea began just as a simple dream that I had of getting anything that I wanted right here, right now, at this second. I hand spread every single slice at my workstation. We do all the favourites. We've got rhubarb and pickled jam. We've got 50-50 Marmite and marmalade. And obviously your old classics as well, like personal favourite, toast sandwich. White toast, medium rare, no butter, maple syrup. Let's do it. Go! Because this began as a startup, we've had to come to terms with our cost limitations. So one of the most challenging parts has been sourcing cheap hardware. Rotary blades, semiconductors, processing units. We've had some negativity, some negative Nigels. People saying, toast is ruining Soho, which, I don't agree with. I think Soho's been bad for a while now. Yeah, people don't know what they want, and that's the thing. How far can you push someone past the point of them saying, no, stop, I don't like it, It's all about the data, We are very data driven. I think about data all the time, even now, just it's 5 times 12, 65, so. Just one of the examples of data. People Googled the word toast 8,672 times just last month.
Well, that doesn't mean very much, does it?
That's data. That's data. To those who are on the fence, who aren't sure, if this is for them, I'd say, yeah, it's definitely for you. Definitely for you. Please, please buy it, because the sales aren't that strong at the moment.